it be like, fam? Another video, unboxing. Another one off the FedEx truck. Let's get to it. See what it be like. Now it's sharp right there. Look at that. Look at that. Huh. Little midget. Get to it. Gotta keep on. Back at the U-Rock collection, you know what I mean? Tear it open. Another live and direct custom edition box. You dig? Magnetics. Look at that. Grown man, get your grown man on. Get your grown man on. U-Rock. Off that Pilar line, you know what I'm saying? Pilar. Joseph Pilar. Designed these. All day. Made in Italy. None of that, you know, off the truck stuff, you know what I mean? Made in their backyard type of stuff. Ooh wee, look at these. Ooh. Gotta take a sniff every time. Look at that, grid locked. Man. Tell me y'all ain't feeling that. Another U-Rock. You are okay. Man, believe it. Believe it. You can achieve it. Nice lightweight durability right here, you know what I mean? So the grid is like not a mesh, but it feels like a mesh. Everything else is leather, you know what I mean? Nice lightweight, so you got a little bit of breathability on these things. I think I outdone myself. Made in Italy all day long. Shipped to you in a month or less. Shipped to you in a month or less. Lefts and rights. You know what I mean? You ain't getting one pad, one shoe in the box. You know? Look at that. Custom kicks. Style on them. Got a style on them. What that is, U-Rock collection. You are okay. Remember that. YouTube channel coming for this here, you know what I mean? We're going to talk about some real things, you know what I'm saying? Life, struggles, mental health, all kind of stuff. Trying to get a podcast going, you know what I'm saying? Make some call-ins. Get your call-ins. Get the ventilation. You know what I'm saying? Talk about it. Let's talk about whatever. Get it off your chest. Get that stress off your chest. Couple of these U-Rocks. Let people know how you get down. Chilling. Custom classy. That's all I like that. Custom classy. You know, a little bit of class on them. You know? Look at that. Fresh eyelets. Gunmetal eyelets right here. Keep it professional. From the streets to the office. Walk with us. You know what I mean? I like that. Look at that. U-Rocks. I'm gonna drop the links. You know what I'm saying? Y'all hit me up. Get you a pair. Get you a pair of these fresh. You know what I'm saying? And they're unisex. So that means you and your girl can rock some if she want a pair, you know what I mean? Significant other. You know, lover, wife, whoever. Baby mother. You know what I mean? Hope y'all match on the kicks. Y'all get your matching kicks on. Twin set. Get your twin set. Man. What would I come up with next? Feeling it. Nice little Sunday get together right here, you know what I mean? Thanksgiving or something, Christmas, you know what I'm saying? Valentine's Day. Walk out, step out looking lovely with your chicks, with your peoples. Post it with your fam. Put your fam on it. You know what I mean? Put your fam on it. Magnetic clip box. Already custom. Everything's custom here. You know what I'm saying? What's that? You rocks. Get your pair. You are okay all day long. Remember that. Be you. Be original. Do you. Don't listen to these haters. Forget about them. They're still trying to do themselves. Do you. Don't follow nobody's lead, man. Be you. You want them? Get them. Forget what people think. Be you. You got your own brain in this world. You only got one brain. Use it. Use it to your advantage. You know what I mean? Forget what everybody else talking about. You can't do this. You can't do that. Don't do that. Man, forget all that. Think outside the box. Break them chains. You know what I mean? Break that slave mentality. Break them chains. Go out there and do something. Do something good. Make it happen. Do it for your fam. Do it for your kids. Do it for you. Be you. You rock. You are okay. All day long. I'm out. Custom.